Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northern Jefferson
County and east central Ohio.
Tornado warning near us.
Central Ohio. Southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania. Northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania. West central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania. Brooke County in northern West Virginia. Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Wellsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wellsville and New Cumberland around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Toronto around 1:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Newell, Stratton, Sloman, Empire, Frankfort Springs, New Manchester, Hammondsville, Hookstown, Tomlinson Run State Park, and Hanover Township.
This might be a doubleheader. No.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56 originating from the National Weather Service Forecasting Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for the Mahoning Valley over station WWG56 from Youngstown on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The forecast for the Mahoning Valley. Rest of tonight, cloudy. A chance of showers.